Okay, so this board here provides us a way to take this strap here and anchor it so that it'll bear the weight of the monobloc. And basically, this is going to hang out the window here, and it's going to wrap around this board here. And the board is 8 feet long and it's braced against the wall. So the structure of the house is actually holding this all up. And this block here is to prevent this from sliding this way, and then I have a block here to prevent the whole board from sliding this way because the force, tangential force here, because this is going out at an angle. And we take the come-along, and then we hook the come-along up to the strap. So now we're going to hook this guy up like that, okay?
Whoa.
And then we're going to pull up with the come-along.
We clamped 2 pieces of wood to the bracket to use as guides for the monobloc.
The idea is to lower it down and then have it resting on this.
Yeah. We are the piano movers, Cod.
Okay, so.
That's good.
Okay, so now I just do this. Now I take that. Okay.
We have one of the bolts and we're going to finish bolting in the other bolt.
And now the monobloc is in place on the bracket, 6 feet off the ground. Tune in to part 4 to see how it's plumbed and wired in.